Today I'm gonna create a wheat beer. I'm gonna add in 60% wheat malts, 30% pale ale malts, and 10% of flaked barley. Last of the pale ales. I'm gonna also add in half a kilo of the flaked barley because it doesn't have its own enzymes. I'm trying to get it in the middle of the mash, so the enzymes of the other malts would then cut the sugars of the barley, flaked barley as well. Now I'm starting to add the wheat malts, the final malts of this beer, and I'm adding 4 kilograms of wheat malts. That's the last of the malts. Now I'm gonna start the mashing process. When I was grinding the malts, I already preheated the water to be around 72 degrees so that it will drop down to approximately 65 according to my calculations, if everything goes correct. There's about 19 point something liters in there, 19.7 if I remember correctly. I'm just gonna pour it from the heater itself to get it in there a bit more quickly. And the bubbling is that the water is entering the mash below. I have my mash out water here, which is 9.5 liters of almost a bit under boiling water. I'm gonna induce it first here and try to get the temperature to 75.5. And after I've achieved that, I'm gonna start to fly sparge with a little less than 10 liters. Alright, so now we start to see the grain bed. I'm gonna try and distribute the hot water evenly. Alright, now I'm measuring and adding my first hops. I'm gonna put 50 grams of Spalter Select hops. I'm trying to get bitterness with aroma hops, because I also like the taste of hops. But I don't want to get the grassy flavor of it, so I'm gonna put these in for 45 minutes. So there's 45 minutes left for the boil. There we go. I already began draining my beer. That's my counterflow water chiller in action. It cools the beer from near 100 degrees to near 19 degrees Celsius. I made a starter. I decided to make the starter of the beer itself. I'm using a very old yeast, so that's the reason I decided to go with the starter. I never had a problem with the yeast pack, so this is just a precaution. I've disinfected the fermenter, so it shouldn't cause a problem while the starter is getting started. And I will probably tomorrow pitch in the starter, depending on how it starts.